Kia ora koutou. Hi everyone, it's Diego here from Inlucem. I hope this video finds you all well. Thanks to the human creativity, our social interactions online has become more enjoyable and interesting. This unprecedented situation has forced us also to work from home, and work-related video calls have become a necessity. Finding a good and quiet spot to do it has been a priority for most of us, in a lot of cases quite challenging. Whether you are having a video call with your colleagues, your boss, or your client, you should give certain importance to the way you look and the environment where you are coming from. It tells a lot about you, more than you think. It's all part of personal branding. You might be tempted to make a call from the quietest place of the house, but it might not be the right place to close a deal with a client, I reckon. You should make that call also in a comfortable position, sitting down at your desk or in your couch, but you shouldn't be too comfortable. Good morning. And sure, well dressed. Obviously, everybody understands that you are calling from home, so obviously you have to be comfortable in your clothes. But maybe you shouldn't make that call after having working in the garden, right? Lighting conditions are really important to make that video call, not just because the camera of your device will require those good conditions to work perfectly, just because that making that video call in a well-lit room with a good light in your face will send positive messages that enhance the quality of your communication. You wouldn't like to look scary, disturbing, or intimidating. Being well lit, well dressed, and well set will add a positive value to your message, increasing the strength of the communication, improving your online networking. Concepts such as credibility, accuracy, clarity can be validated. Each aspect can be really useful depending on the job you do or the reason of your call. Even having a simple and well set background could endorse good design skills or just showing that you have good taste. As an architect and lighting designer, I know how important these things are. I'll be pleased to share with you a few videos with simple tips. If I can make you smile, definitely could be a bonus. Hoping that you find them useful and enjoy watching them as much as we have enjoyed making them. I hope everyone is keeping well, staying safe, and remember, be kind with each other. Aro Hanoi from my bubble. Stay in tune.